Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are taking a look at the Grams 28 152 travel backpack. Now, I have had this for a little while and it's come on quite a few trips. And if you are in the market for something super premium, then this is going to be the backpack for you. So we have a laptop pocket in the back here and also have a couple of additional drop pockets there, enough space for an iPad and then your laptop. I believe a 14-inch MacBook or laptop can fit in there. Weather sealed zips, really nice premium leather zippers on there also. We have a little top pocket here. And then you can stash your sunglasses in there. This is a nice sort of fleece-lined bright orange pocket. Really like that. We have a top handle here. Again, an essential on a backpack. Moving around to the back, we have some really nice, very simplistic padded leather straps. And this whole bag is in this incredible premium Italian pebbled leather. We have a pass-through here, so I can go over your luggage. We have plastic adjusters on the straps here. We have a little hidden pocket that goes across to about here. So that's good for passports and documents. Be nice and secure when that's on your back. No side pockets as such. Nice flush sort of detail on the side. No bottom straps, so you can't undersling a tripod or a jacket or anything like that. Pocket on the front, metal hardware on the front here. Going inside, we have a zipper pocket. So again, documents or passport and things. And then we have this front pocket. So big enough for an iPad mini, obviously mobile phones. And yeah, it almost looks like it's detachable, this pocket on the outside, but it's not. Let's just show you that detailing, because it's really nice. So all metal on the front there. And let's have a look on the inside. So on the inside, we have packing cube, and that is branded with Grams 28 on there. Really nice design. That's sort of like in a nylon-y type fabric. On the inside of the bag here, we have two pockets, one on either side, here and here. We have a little pocket here, which you could put something inside, maybe an iPad or something there. We have a zipper pocket here. You can go underneath, so you could then fit your iPad without it getting scratched once you've got stuff in the bag. And then a little Velcro fastener, just to clamp that down there. Grams 28 branding inside there. On the inside of the lid itself, and again, I really like the way this opens on this side instead of it opening on the back. I like this traditional way of a backpack opening. Two zipper pockets at the top here, both mesh. Metal zippers, and then we have this pocket here, two mesh drop pockets inside there. So yeah, really good size. I use this a lot for carry-on luggage, and yeah, we fly with airlines like Ryanair, British Airways, EasyJet, and yeah, I mean, I have a discount code for this. I think I've got about 20% off, so I'll leave that in the description. Please go ahead and use that. You can use it on any Grams 28 gear. I thank you very much for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and ring that bell if you'd like to be notified of future videos. Lots more coming soon, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.